Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to another lesson, ordering groups of objects. So we're going to count forwards and backwards on our number line to 20. We're going to start at 10. You can clap your hands if you want to, and don't forget one clap for each number. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Super. Let's put your arms out and do rolls. Rolls backwards, okay? So starting from 20, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Super. And let's do shooting stars. And we'll start from 15 and just go up to 20. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Super, fantastic. If you want to count more, then just pause this video and you can practice your counting. What we're going to do is move on to our recap. So this is a recap from our last lesson. So let's have a look. Remember, we're doing greater and less than, and we're comparing numbers, okay? So 110 and 3 ones is something then 16. 110 and 3 ones is something 16. Is it greater, less than, or equal? 110 and 3 ones is 13, so 13 is less than 16. Question number 2, 2 tens and 0 ones is something to 20. 2 tens and 0 ones is something to 20. Is it greater, less than, or equal? Well done, it is equal to 2 tens and 0 ones is 20, and 20 is equal to 20. Question number 3, what is 1 more than 10? Super easy, 11, well done. Question number 4, which is greater, the straws or the base 10 blocks? So count how many is in each and then which one is greater. Yep, so we've got 15 straws, 16 blocks. The answer is 16. 16 is greater than 15. Right, so we are comparing groups of objects now. So we have got Whitney, Alex, Ron, and Dexter, okay? And we can use the first sounds of their letters of their names to help us with the names. So W for Whitney, can you point to Whitney? A, Alex, Ron, and Dexter. Super. So they're our names of our people. And it says, who has the most letters in their name? So what you need to do now is you need to count how many letters are in each of those names and have a think of who's got the most letters. Give you a minute. Right, pause this video if you need any more time. Right, I'm going to count them with you. So let's start with Whitney. Let's count how many letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters in Whitney's name. Let's count Alex. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count Ron. 1, 2, 3. And let's count Dexter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So who has the most letters? Now look at those numbers. Which one is the most? Super. Whitney is the one with the most. And now it says, who has the least letters in their name? Who's got the smallest amount of letters in their name? Super, there we go. That's Ron there. Now I want you to write your name down on a piece of paper and count how many letters are in your name. Pause the video if you need some more time. Right, now we're going to order the groups of Mer, Annie and Dexter. So first we're going to count how many bread rolls Mer's got. So we can see he's got 10. Let's count on from 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So Mer's got 16. Then we're going to look at Annie. She's got 10 and 10. Ooh, what did we say 10 and 10 is? Super, 10 and 10 is 20. And then we've got Dexter, who's got 10 and 4. Let's count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We've got 14. Pause this video if you want extra time to count. So Mer's got 16, Annie's got 20, Dexter's got 14. So who has got the most rolls? Who has got the most rolls? Well done, it's Annie. She's got 2 lots of 10, which is 20, so she's got the greatest amount, okay? Who has the least amount of rolls then? Who's got the least, less, the smallest number? Well done, it is Dexter. Right, we've got an extra person now, so we've got Mer, Annie, Dexter and Eva. And it says Eva brought in more rolls than Dexter, but fewer than Mer. So she brought in more than Dexter. Dexter had 14, but less than 16. How many does she have? How many rolls did Eva bring? So use your number track, find 14 and find 16 and see which number Eva has. So Mer has 16, it's got to be less than Mer, but it's got to be more than Dexter. What's that number in the middle? Super, she has got 15, because 1 more than 14 is 15, 1 less than 16 is 15. Right, let's have a look then. We are going to place the objects in the correct order. So we've got some Numicon. Let's count our Numicon first. So that first one is 10, and then we've got 9, 10 and 9. Let's count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So the Numicon is 19. And then we've got a box of chocolates. Ooh, I wonder how many chocolates we've got. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we've got 19 Numicon. You can write that number down, 19. And then we've got 12 chocolates. And let's count how many apples we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we've got 5 in each bag. 5 and 5 is 10. So count on from 10, 10, 11, 12, 13. We've got 13 apples. So we've got 19 Numicon, 12 chocolates, 13 apples. Let's see how many pairs we've got. 5 and 5 is 10 at the top, so 10 pairs at the top. 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 pairs. So you need to write the number 19, 12, 13 and 14. So we've got to place the objects in order, starting with the least to the greatest. So what is the smallest number? There we go, it's the chocolates with 12. What's the next smallest number? Well done, it's the apples with 13. What's the next smallest number? Is it 19 or is it 14? Well done, it's the bag of pears, it's 14. And the greatest number of them all was 19. Well done, give yourselves a clap if you got that right. Right, we've got some more then. We're going to place some more objects in order, but this time we're going to place them in order from the greatest number to the smallest number. But first we need to count them. So point to the eggs. Let's count those eggs, and I'm going to count those in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we've got 12 eggs. Now let's count our straws. 10, 11, 12, 13. It's got 13 straws and 12 eggs. Write those numbers down if you need to. And then how many blocks have we got? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we've got 18 base 10 blocks, 13 straws and 12 eggs. And our Numicon, don't forget that purple one is a full 10. Can count in twos to help us. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then we've got another Numicon here, and that's 7, but let's count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So you should have 17, 18, 13 and 12. Which one is the greatest number? Super, our base 10 blocks is 18. It's our greatest number there. What's our next greatest number then? The eggs, the straws or the Numicon? It's the Numicon because we've got 17. Super, now we've got the eggs, 12 eggs and 13 straws. Which one is greater, 12 or 13? 13 is our next greatest, and our smallest number was 12 eggs, okay? That was the smallest amount there. Well done, boys and girls. Right, now we've got some flowers. Lots of flowers at the top one, Annie. Let's have a look how many blue flowers we've got. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See how many purple flowers we've got. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And how many orange flowers have we got? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there's all our flowers, blue flowers, purple flowers and orange flowers, and they're on tens frames to help us count on from 10 and see who's got the most and who's got the least. So we're going to place them in order from the greatest number of flowers to the least number of flowers. So which one has the most, the blue flowers, the purple flowers or the orange flowers? Well done, the greatest is purple. Purple has the greatest amount of flowers. Now look at the blue flowers and look at the orange flowers. Which one is greater now? Out of the blue and the orange, which one is greatest? Well done, it's the orange. They've got the most there, the orange. And then the least amount has got to be the blue, because we had 19 purple, 17 orange and 15 blue. So that is they're our flowers in order from greatest to the smallest, to the least amount, okay? And you can write those numbers in your book if you want to. Before we go on to our worksheet then, we have got a true or false, and it says here the number of bread rolls are in the order from the greatest to the smallest. So from left, we go the greatest amount to the smallest amount. Are they right? So we've got 4, 6, 10 and 12. 4, 6, 10 and 12. Are they greatest to smallest? The answer is no, it's false. They are smallest to greatest. Unless you start on the right hand side, then it might be greatest to smallest. It depends which side you start on. So it's a bit tricky, that one. It could be true or it could be false. It depends which side you start. But if you start from the left hand side, it's smallest to greatest. But if you start on the right hand side, it is greatest to smallest, okay? It's a bit of a tricky one there. But if you start from the left where we were starting from during the rest of the lesson, then the answer to that question is false. I hope you've enjoyed ordering groups of objects, and now I want you to go into your work packs, get your worksheet out and complete your work. Well done for joining in, boys and girls. See you tomorrow.